Are you tired of feeling lost in French conversations? Learn the essential greetings and phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker, even if you're just starting out. In this video, you will unlock the power of French greetings and phrases to confidently start conversations and make long-lasting impressions. This video is your key to unlocking a world of French communication. Let me give you a bit of a story. Imagine yourself strolling through the charming streets of Paris, effortlessly greeting locals and engaging in lively conversations. Or imagine yourself amazing your job interviewer by greeting them in French. This video will teach you the essential French greetings to make that dream a reality. Why is mastering French greetings key? Starting a conversation is often the hardest part, but French greetings are friendly and easy to learn. Learning these phrases can boost your confidence and make you feel more comfortable speaking French. And knowing basic greetings will help you make a great first impression and start conversations with ease. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use greetings in different scenarios, such as more formal or informal situations. And we encourage you to practice these in real life situations to boost your confidence and fluency. So let's get started. Here are some basic greetings.
Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour.
Good morning or good day. This is used from morning until evening.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir.
Good evening. This is used from late afternoon onwards.
Bonne journée, bonne journée, bonne journée.
Have a good day. This is used as a polite farewell. Now we're going to add some politeness.
Enchanté, enchanté, enchanté.
Delighted to meet you. This is perfect for some formal introductions.
Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Ravi de faire votre connaissance.
Pleased to meet you. This is a great greeting for some formal settings.
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
How are you? This is a common way to inquire about someone's well-being in some more formal settings. Now we're going to look at some more casual greetings.
Salut! Salut! Salut!
Hi, a more informal and casual way to greet someone.
Coucou! Coucou! Coucou!
Hi, an even more casual greeting, often used among friends.
Ça va? Ça va? Ça va?
How are you? A casual and friendly way to check in with someone.
Bonjour! Bonjour! Bonjour!
Good morning or good day. This is used in the morning until evening.
Bonsoir! Bonsoir! Bonsoir!
Good evening, used from late afternoon onwards.
Bonne journée! Bonne journée! Bonne journée!
Have a good day, used in polite farewell. Now let's add a bit of politeness to these greetings.
Enchanté! Enchanté! Enchanté!
Delighted to meet you. Perfect for more formal introductions.
Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Ravi de faire votre connaissance.
Pleased to meet you. It is great for more formal settings.
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
How are you? This is a common way to inquire about someone's well-being in a more formal settings. Now, let's create some more casual greetings.
Salut! Salut! Salut!
Hi, a more informal and casual way to greet someone.
Coucou! Coucou! Coucou!
Okay, an even more casual greeting, often used among friends.
Ça va? Ça va. Ça va?
How are you? A casual, friendly way to check in with someone. Thank you for watching our video. We encourage you to practice these in real life situations or with friends. We also encourage you to check out our website, Kibtech, where you'll find some more French resources. And finally, please subscribe and watch our other videos for more French learning content.